So, what is acceptance? The quality of accepting any situation. Well, acceptance is the first step towards change. It is about understanding the reality, acknowledging our feelings, and then taking steps towards it and then deciding how we want to navigate through it. Because only when you accept your situation, you can start taking steps towards it to improve it or to adapt to it, right? See, life is an unpredictable journey filled with lots of unexpected twists and turns. You may plan, strategize, and prepare for something, but at the end, there's always one or the other thing that's not in our control. And when we face such situations where things are not in our control, we have two choices: to resist it or to accept it. Here, let's take an example. Imagine a person lost his job unexpectedly. Now he has two choices: to resist it by blaming others and by feeling victimized, or the second choice where he accepts the situation, he starts looking for new opportunities, he starts learning new skills, he starts finding a positive way ahead. Now you can see that in the first situation, resistance only brought stress, anxiety, depression, disappointment, etc. Whereas in the second situation, where he accepts his situation, acceptance leads to clarity, peace, and it provides the strength to deal with the situation. Still, many people think acceptance as a weakness, as a surrender to the circumstances that they cannot change. But according to me, acceptance is not a passive or a negative state. It's not about giving up on your dreams or settling for less than what you deserve. It's a conscious choice to understand, to accept the truth of your situation. It's about saying that, okay, this is what is happening right now and I can handle it, I can deal with it. It's not about ignoring your emotions and feelings. It's not about agreeing to everything what others do or say. It's not about that you have to like everything that's happening to you, nor is it about to stop improving yourself or your circumstances. It's just about understanding the reality, acknowledging our feelings, and then deciding how we want to navigate through it. So, to conclude this video, I would like to say that acceptance is not easy. It requires great courage, resilience, and patience to accept a situation. And also, it is not a destination but a journey. It is a skill that requires some time to develop. So, let's start this journey today. Let's embrace the uncertainties, the ups and downs, and the joys and sorrows. Let's say, okay, this is what is happening right now, and I can deal with it. Thank you.